Yes, you can start presenting right now.
Wait a minute.
Can you see my screen right now?
Yes,
Okay, then we are ready to go.
perfect.
Uh, Greetings, everyone, first of all. I am Baturak Güvenç. I am a CTO and developer in ATLASPAD. Today, I would like to tell you about how developments have taken place in ATLASPAD so far and which of our tasks we have completed. There are so many developments that we probably won't be able to announce a commit, but our demo videos are ready and our repos are open to everyone. Before moving on to these, we have made certain changes in our architecture in consultation with Mina site. Uh, these are the developments made on the advice of our legal consultancy firm and Yunus Gürlek in Mina for us. We thank them again. Uh, Next, please. Uh, First of all, our presentation was divided into two parts. In the first part, we will remind you about ATLASPAD, and in the second part, we will talk about the developments of this project. Next, please. ATLASPAD is a project that is on its way to becoming the first most reliable and fair launchpad. Why do I say the most reliable? Because in ATLASPAD, we use zkIgnite in Mina and Celestia in data layer to prevent front-running arbitrage and airdrop unfairness. Uh, Next, and why us? Because Mina ZK snarks for secure and continental transactions, ZK Merkle tree-based architecture to transaction verification, participation in pre-sales without disclosing investment size or strategy, staking assets in a secure, preserving ecosystem, cross-chain functionality with EVM compatible and non-compatible chains, Atlas oracles for accurate cross-chain data, Celestia's unique technology sequencers are much safer and cannot be manipulated. Uh, it's milestone development. As we mentioned, we have completed EVM contracts and we are implementing them now. We have finished the most of the zkIgnite contracts, but we are getting some errors and we are trying to connect them to EVM side, to Mina side. These are our EVM contracts. As I said, we have finished all of them and we can deploy all our contracts. Next, please. In our zkIgnite, first of all, our EVM contracts are already and we can deploy and use them all. Campaign contracts are temporary contracts we created for the demo. We will get rid of them in the future. We have log Oracle stake pool token contracts, but in the zkIgnite side, our Merkle tree contract is ready. We just need to clean up the code a bit more and connect it to our application. We plan to implement it shortly. We are in consultation with navigators on this issue. Everything next. Right, front-end side. Everything went well on the front-end side, and we have successfully completed the front-end of our Launchpad using colors that reflect us. We designed the simplest interface we could for the users, and we choose the use wells, especially for the front-end. Our chatbot can answer questions about ATLASPAD, about Mina, zkIgnite, and guide users on how to use the Launchpad and can answer a lot of questions about the ecosystem in an updated way. Yiğit, please, can you open our chatbot demo video? maybe a little slow, but it's right. How can users utilize ATLASPAD? Yes, that's enough. And the second one, chatbot again, but this is the Telegram bot. This bot will integrate with Launchpad and allow users to run their business from the phone at an early stage. Our Telegram bot is finished for now, but we plan to define new features over time. Next. In the marketing part, we have exceeded our goals by achieving a very successful process in a social media and applications such as Discord. Okay. Can you elaborate a little bit in terms of what exactly do you do with Mina and zkApps? We use the Mina network in our project because it can actually make a favor system, and when it is stable. That is, when there are token standards, we plan to issue the tokens of the projects on the Mina. Currently, we have made on O1GS zkApp that hashes certain methods and functions of our contracts in our Merkle tree and verifies this hash on the Mina network. Now we are also working on the Oracle that we can provide data flow from EVM to Mina network with Mina support.
Can I have a word for a bit, Batrap, if it's okay with you?
That's okay.
We had a back and forth with Yunus Gürlek about how can we implement zk functionality on an EVM-based Launchpad. And to our surprise, the mainnet on the Mina side was a bit delayed, so we are not able to. We are not able to use Mina's or like tokens defined on Mina's network right now, but we are going to be implementing Mina 2 in addition to the EVM part of it. So there won't be like two different launchpads. It will be integrated in one website, one web app. So any project that is deployed both on EVM and on Mina can be, invested in. So it will be users will be able to invest in both types of projects. And in addition to that, to make the Launchpad itself fairer, we are going to be using the zkApp side of it to prove transactions that are made on the EVM machine. And anyone can be able to check the proofs using Mina itself, or we can say O1JS itself. Otrap, I can continue on with the pre-sale demo.
Wait a minute. I want to say something. This issue. This is a launchpad where we close the gaps of Ethereum with Mina's zkApps, and Mina's projects can also be listed and token sales can be made in Mina network in the future. We have only finished the EVM site for now, as we mentioned. Right. Yiğit, let me give you the floor.
And we can easily see that there was a gap between Mina and the other parts of the ecosystem, but it's about to close as MetaMask snaps, I guess, will integrate different networks into one single extension too. So a launchpad like this would prove useful, so anyone can invest in any project that they are willing to. with regardless of the network the project is deployed in. And I will now continue on with the pre-sale demo, and I hope you can see it. It's a little bit small in this monitor, but here I clicked on the button twice, so we had to confirm two distinct transactions. And in the end, we have purchased 62 ATLASPad tokens. That will be the native token of a project that is deployed on the Launchpad. And I will now continue on. You can take the lead, Batra.
This is the performance process of buying tokens of a demo project that has started a pre-sale process. In the final phase, we are planning to finish the zk apps, oracles, and the Merkle tree. Merkle tree is finished, but the oracle was missing. Ensure that Celestia is used in sequencers, finish the audit, implementation, and possibly move to ProtoKit. And thank you.
Thank you. Do we have any questions from our audience? Right. Seems like not. Then thanks again for your presentation.
We thank us for your time. I'm going to start presenting now.
And next one is DSID. Simone, are you there? Okay, let's ping them.
Hey Yasin, I need like
Hello.
2 minutes maybe.
Sure,
What's up?
sure. Okay.
I think we were scheduled for a bit later, right?
Yeah, it's
Because I need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 1 hour early. Okay, I need to check with our dev because I want him to join as well. Just give me a second, yeah.
Sure, no worries.
Okay, Yasin, I think we can slowly start. At least I got the confirmation that he's joining
Yeah,
in a bit.
yeah. Thank you, and sorry for the confusion. I think it went a bit faster, and we started a bit earlier.
Yeah, I know. And maybe we even skipped some people, right? That
Yeah.
weren't here. Yeah. Okay, let me just
Let me